In this video, we'll discuss the Finish Line Caulk Fill Your Own Precision Caulking Toolkit and how to use it. Let's start with how to fill the barrel. There are two styles of barrels that we're going to be filling. We have the 30 ml and the 55 ml. And the first thing that we want to do is place and make sure that the plunger is in all the way. If you have a 55 ml barrel, you'll want to take one of these white plugs and the push rod that comes with your kit and push that plunger all the way into the end. The next step is to cut the tip on the end of your tube of sealant, and you're going to thread in this little tool. This black tool is going to be threaded into the end of your tube of caulk. So it's important that you look at this tube, and if you hold it in front, you can see where this tip is going to be just about the size of the tip that you're cutting. It's important that you don't cut it too far, because if you do, then this won't stay threaded in. If you cut it too small, then the tip, the plastic, can tend to crack. So I would look for that spot right about here on a tube of caulk. And what we're going to do is take our knife, and then we're just gonna cut that right about there, and we'll just kind of test it and see. Okay, I think that might be a little too small, so let's go just a little bit bigger. Okay, and I'll give it a little push. Oh, the end just goes in, and we'll just push that, and now that just twists and threads right in. It's got a little bit of a tapered end on this, so that is now in there nice and tight. The fastest and best way to fill our applicators is with a pneumatic sealant gun. Once you have the transfer piece installed into your tube of caulk, place it into your gun and thread an applicator onto your tube of caulk, and simply by using your sealant gun, you're going to fill up your applicator. By filling the applicator from the end, you avoid any air bubbles getting into your tube, so that when you're applying your sealant, you don't have any interruptions in the flow. Once you're done filling your tube to your desired amount, you unthread it, and you can cap the tool, or you can fill multiple tubes at a time. You can go ahead and use your applicator right away and place a tip on it and start applying your sealant, or you can fill multiple tubes and cap them and save them to be able to be used later. The plug can easily be removed from the 55 ml tube by using compressed air.